One of the reasons I keep coming back to figure or anatomy studies is that they sharpen almost every aspect of drawing. Whether I am working on a portrait, a figure, or an illustration, a better understanding of the human body always makes those drawings stronger. Today's study focuses on a forearm and clenched fist, using Conté to explore structure, light, and shadow. Before thinking about muscles or details, I try to understand the overall gesture. Even a simple arm has a natural rhythm. If that rhythm feels convincing, the rest of the drawing becomes much easier to me. At this stage, I am only searching for the big relationships and keeping the lines loose. Now I begin introducing the first values. Rather than chasing every shadow I see, I look for the largest shadow shapes first. One tip that has helped me is to think in three simple groups: light, mid-tone or half-tone, and shadow or dark tone. Simplifying the reference this way makes the drawing much easier to organize, at least for me. As the values develop, I am constantly comparing one area against another. The beauty of charcoal or Conté is that they are wonderfully forgiving. If something feels too dark, I can lift it back with an eraser. If it's too light, I can build it gradually. That freedom encourages me to stay patient instead of trying to get everything perfect in one pass. I think now I can start committing to the darkest values. To me, strong contrast isn't about making everything darker. It's about choosing where the darkest accents will have the most impact. At this point, I am no longer thinking about individual muscles. Instead, I am asking myself whether the form feels solid. Do the values describe the planes clearly? Are the edges helping the light read naturally? Small adjustments here often make a bigger difference than adding more detail. Honestly speaking, I don't make these anatomy studies because I expect every sketch to become a finished artwork. I make them because each one improves the way I observe. Over time, those small improvements begin to show up in every drawing, no matter the subject. If you're learning to draw, I really encourage you to spend time with studies like this. They are simple, quiet practice, but they build lasting skills. Thanks for drawing with me. See you soon.